I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Honda HR-V 2022. Park on level ground and warm engine briefly, then secure vehicle with wheel chocks and the parking brake. Gather tools: drain pan, socket set, new filter, oil funnel, and 4 quarts of recommended oil. Lift car safely with jack and stands, loosen drain plug, and let oil drain completely before replacing filter and reinstalling plug. Check dipstick and dispose, used oil responsibly. Before starting, gather supplies and prepare your workspace for a smooth oil change. You will need a 17 mm socket or wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, gloves, and rags. Buy 4 quarts of the manufacturer recommended oil and a new oil filter specified for Honda HR-V 2022. Double-check torque specs, set jack points, and have absorbent mats ready to catch spills before you lift the car and begin. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Thanks for watching. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and hands-free voice control, perfect for hands-on car work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider one for your garage or shop for music and timers. Now let's get back to the video. Start oil change by removing oil filler cap to improve drain speed, then place drain pan beneath the plug. Loosen drain plug with socket, remove it carefully, and allow oil to drain fully. Remove old filter with filter wrench, lightly oil the new filter gasket, and hand thread the new filter until snug. Reinstall drain plug with correct torque, lower vehicle, refill with 4 quarts of oil, and check levels with dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.